In this tutorial we will learn how we can change our video background and then make normal video to professional video. So we are using the CapCut to edit our video to make a professional look. So without wasting time, we go to the CapCut video editor and then we see how we can do it. Okay friends, so we are now in the CapCut video editor, and then as you can see, this one is the normal clip I just recorded, and then this one is the background I downloaded from the Pixabay or Pixel or any other website that you can use copyright free picture. So okay friends, so first of all we need to select our video background, what background we want to give. So we bring that layer in the first, and then after that we choose the ratio, what ratio we want to export our video. So here you can find out the ratios, and then here you can see the free, it's selected the free mode. So I click the drop down, and then you can choose here the different ratios. So I am using the 16:9 to landscape video, normally YouTube video. If you want to create the short or TikTok or Facebook reel or Instagram reel, you select the 9:16, but I am selecting here the 16:9 ratio, and then I put the up and then confirm that. Now the second thing is I bring my recorded clip and then import here, and then now I drag this layer until my clip drag ready the layer. So now second step is we remove our video background and then crop our video. You can see here the logo or watermark. So I remove this watermark, I select the crop and then select the 16:9 ratio and then just bring it down a bit and then choose my clip in the center and then confirm. Now second step is we remove the background. So I click the cutout and then here auto cutout. So you have to see here the complete the auto cutout 100%. After that you choose the other things. So we wait the 100%. So auto cutout is 100% completed. Now the second thing is we enhance our video. So I click the face and then click the smooth around 30%, then brighten also 30%, and then facial beauty I just select as a default 30%, and facial beauty I select the face. So our video background is already removed, and then if we play, you can see it's working perfectly. So I for example I just export and then I will show you how. So now our video is already exported. We can see the before and after. I open the folder. So this one is the number 6, and then the original video is here. So this is before and then this is after. So you can see the difference, how you can create the video is a big difference, that you can give your video as a professional look that looks like real. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.